Yeah, this is Abhay Dongre. I am working with a PSU. I am a finance manager with a public sector undertaking, and uh, we are engaged in the activity of running a hostel, Dr. Ambedkar Hostel at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, which is basically meant for see this Mumbai is a financial hub of India. There are so many job opportunities in Mumbai, and the basic problem with our people is if they want to come in Mumbai, where to stay. So to accommodate them, our people from SC, ST, OBC, and our poor students who come to Mumbai in search of job, we are running a hostel at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, which caters basically to that transition period, which is a very difficult period when they come for searching jobs in a city like Mumbai. So the basic hitch is before coming to Mumbai, they think where to stay if they want to struggle, if they want to appear for interviews, if they want to appear for some written exam. So where to stay? So this after understanding this problem, we a group of 7-8 people from IIM, IIT, and some of our friends, we decided to start a hostel in Navi Mumbai, where we can accommodate such people. We can guide them and help them to cope up with the challenges in life.
How many people are staying and how far?
See, right now there are 11 students staying in the hostel. What we have done is we have rented a flat. Hostel means it is not, it's a big hostel. What we have done, a simple concept, we have rented a flat, and we post in Facebook, we send emails to our people in the network, and accordingly the word passes on. And the facilities, they come to the hostel, they stay. Once they get the job, they leave, and they send another a set of people. So this is the concept. So till date, around 400 to 450 students have availed this facility. Most of them are very well placed. Some of them have went abroad to US, UK, and some people are studying for GRE and this foreign university admissions exam. Many people are placed in some public sector undertakings. Some are placed in banks. In addition to giving the facility of accommodation and staying, we also provide them career guidance, personality development tips, how to write the CV, how to face the interview. Like that also we are providing. And this is not for only for people from Maharashtra. This is for people from all over India.
How do you manage the money and all expenditure, food and all?
Yeah. As I told you earlier, we are a group of 7-8 people. We contribute from our own salary. Till date, we have not taken any grant from any government organization or any private institution. We basically believe in paying back to the society. We are the beneficiaries of reservation. Baba Saheb has given us everything. So our concept is pay back to the society. What we have gained from the society, we are just paying back. So we contribute from our salaries. Likewise, our friends who know our activity, they also feel that they should contribute. So they voluntarily contribute. Like this activity is good.
If any number of students or unemployed youths come to your hostel, you will provide them accommodation and food.
Yeah. We have formed a certain criteria. Criteria is he should from the backward community, SC, ST or OBC, and he should be economically poor. Means those who have some relatives in Mumbai, we don't allow them. And the basic idea is the benefit should be given to the real needy students. So we have a criteria, we have an application form, we scrutinize the forms, and then we take the admissions.
Recently, you have bought up a book on Ambedkar biography.
Yeah. About the book, I will tell you that it's as you can see, it's a biography of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So a question will come to your mind ki why another book on Ambedkar? There are so many books, biographies. So the concept behind this book was ki though there are already so many books on Dr. Ambedkar, I wanted to come out with something very handy. Handy in the sense that it should be easy in language, simple language, and especially it should cater to the young Ambedkarites or young students, young group who are using internet, who are using this Facebook and email groups, and the young crowd. So what I have done, it's the first of its kind in India, I will say, because the quality of book, the pages, it is covering some of the very rare photographs of Dr. Ambedkar, both color and black and white. And I have included some rare untold facts about Dr. Ambedkar, which are always not told to the common masses, like his role in formation of Reserve Bank of India, or his role in the economic policy, his role in the labor policies of India, his role in the irrigation and water policies of India. These are all the facts which are not very much known to common public. So I have tried to highlight that facts, and it covers almost everything, right from his birth to his Mahaparinirvan. Very rare photographs, and the most important thing is, I would like to tell here that again the whole sale proceeds of this book shall be donated to again Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Hostel, because the idea is this is not having any profit motive. Again the proceeds will go to the hostel. So this is the idea.
So this is a cartoon kind of.
No, not a cartoon kind. If you see, it is having the real photographs, both black and white and color, and some as I told you, some rare untold facts, some speeches, some snippets from Dr. Ambedkar speeches. Not a pictorial kind of. It is having pictures, and it is having both text also. In addition to Dr. Ambedkar, I have tried to cover our icons of our social transformative movement, like Mahatma Phule, Shahu Maharaj, Periyar, then Kabir. So these also I have covered. I have tried to Buddha. So some glimpses of them also, so that overall perspective can be presented.
How many years you have been coming to this Diksha Bhumi, Chaitya Bhumi?
Yeah, I have coming since long. I have been coming. I am born and brought up in a Ambedkarite family. My father, he himself was a professor of economics. He has also written 2 books, one on economic thoughts of Dr. Ambedkar and one on dimensions of Ambedkarism. So from childhood only I have seen him reading and writing a number of books. His library was full of books on Dr. Ambedkar. So since my childhood, I am visiting both Diksha Bhumi and Chaitya Bhumi.
So that, do you find any changes in 2013?
Yeah, changes are there. Changes in the sense that the new generation, they are more proactive. They are practical oriented. Practical oriented in the sense that they want something to happen, for which not typical means typical political type, or forming so many groups, not like if you have seen in the Chaitya Bhumi or Diksha Bhumi, many public sector government servants of central government and public sector, they distribute the food packets, they distribute free tea, free water. Once in a year they will distribute, and what will happen for the rest of the year? So like I don't believe in that kind of charity. See, you will feed them for one day. What about 364 days? So what we believe, like the career guidance camp our friends have done this year, it was a unique, means like this book, means something practical should be done. So this is the change what I have seen from the old generation and what they are doing right now.
How about the crowd which is coming?
Yeah, the crowd is increasing day by day, no doubt about it, because the followers of Ambedkar, you can see they are present in not only now in India, in villages, but abroad also. People specially come for this Ashoka Vijayadashmi, Chaitya Bhumi, specially to pay tributes, to visit the books. See the bookstalls you have seen. There are thousands of books on Ambedkar, and Buddha and Mahatma Phule, and I don't think there is such a huge crowd visiting to just buy books. There is a turnover of crores of rupees in just 2-3 days. So this is the quest of an Ambedkarite person to gain knowledge.
How was your book selling?
Yeah, it is having a very good response. Reason being a different type, a different format, the different material which I have tried to compile and include in it. So we are getting a very good response, and very soon I think we have to come out with a second edition.
Any other thing?
We can. Thank you. Jai Bhim. Thank you.
You spoke very
Fast.
small, no, very small.